Okay, we are going to install our second HDL simulation tool, which is Cadence Incisive or Cadence Xcelium. However, if you go to TSI website, Incisive is completely replaced by Xcelium. So there is no Incisive here. You see? Incisive Enterprise Simulator, right? But inside this category, that is the software is called Xcelium. So please download these two files first. Then we can use root permission to extract these files to OPT EDA directory. Okay? These two files are very large files, so you needed to take some time. EDA tools, right? Home FTP EDA tools. So we can type a TAR FVA Xcelium 1 capital C. Okay, we can extract this to OPT EDA first. So please download these two files and extract these two files to OPT EDA directory. Then later we will configure the environment and run test. Okay, this will take some time, so I will leave your control to you. Okay. Okay, once we complete extract and install process, we can configure our environment. Please add this tool in your path. Okay, please add these two directory in your path and create and add these two lines in your bash command here. These two lines and these two directories in your path. Okay. The license port is still 5280, so we do not need to modify it. Then we can type a source. OPT EDA bash RC EDA, enter. Then we can go to program and use Xrun. We can use Xrun, our Verilog code, and run. Okay, press enter. Then it will run. You can see that this is Cadence, right? Cadence Design System. And the type ls-lt. You will see a test fa.dump. Remember, last time I show you this file and use GTK wave to see the waveform. Remember? Okay, anyway, Xrun, you can check this file, xrun.history. Okay, you can see that I have run this command and there is no warning or no error here. This is how we install and set up Xcelium. There is no Incisive anymore, so please install Xcelium instead. Okay. Okay, so if you take a look here, we don't need to do any troubleshooting. Okay.